Hey guys, welcome back to Drone vs. Life. Today on the building side of life, we're going to be making a grappling hook. Now, due to some camera difficulties, my bad, I've lost a good chunk of the footage about me cutting the metal and talking about the measurements. But I will go back over that in the video. And if you really want me to cut some metal, you're going to see me do it later in the video anyways. Alright guys, so I've taken 4 pieces of this 4-inch wide, 1 foot long, and 1/4 thick piece of steel, and I've cut them like this to give me this design. Now, I was going to take off this chunk right here, but I decided to leave it on there to give it some extra strength and to make it a little quicker on time saving. I have the other 4 pieces already cut out, other 3 pieces, excuse me. And I'm also using this 1 foot long piece of angle iron. I had originally one 4 foot piece, but then I cut it down into individual 1 foot pieces, and then I drilled out holes so that way they can hold them together like this. The measurements I use for these holes are 1 inch and then 2.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and get drilling on these, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to go and start the drilling. The drill bit I'm using though is a 5/6 drill bit. Alright guys, now that I have all the plates and angle iron drilled out, I'm going to take these bolts and I'm going to give them a quick hand tightening just to see if it all fits right. Alright guys, so it turns out these bolts are a little bit too big, so I'm going to have to cut them up with my trusty old angle iron right about there, and then I'll be able to put the other bolts in. See you guys in a minute. Well guys, after a lot of hard work and dedication, it's finally done. This thing is massive. Also really freaking heavy. It's about maybe, I don't know, about 8 pounds. Which when you're holding it out to here, gets pretty heavy. So imagine trying to sling this thing up onto a tree or something. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the notches down here for the rope. I'll be right back at you guys. Alright guys, and there it is. Now I definitely didn't tie any paracord to this, try to do a couple tests before I actually showed y'all, and fall flat on my butt realizing I'm super weak and can't do it. Definitely didn't do any of that, and have the paracord break on me too. So I guess I'll do a different test video on a different video. Guys, thanks for sticking around for the end of the video. Don't forget, if you like this type of content, like and subscribe, and leave a comment down in the comment section below about what you would have done differently, or if you like the design. Or just to give me a thumbs up, you know? See you next time.